Alright, we've got a Gaggia Anima here, my friends. This has a grinder issue. When we press this button or any sort of button to call for espresso, it immediately errors out, which tells me there's a problem with the grinder. And there's either a simple fix or, no fix at all. But there's always a simple fix for these things. Check it out. Just a moment. I don't want that to pull too much. That's okay. Just let it sit right there. Let me inspect the motor here. Now, anytime I'm about to touch electronics, I'm making sure it's not plugged in, even though I know I didn't even plug it in yet. Also remembering what color went to what, so looks like white is positive, black is negative. Seems like a simple way to go. Alright, here's the motor. I don't know how well you can see the motor, but typically with a problem like that, we'll have a connection that's lost. And that would be a spring from the brush to the connector. The spring is the actual lead, the wire, if you will, and typically with that problem we have a severed connection. Same thing goes with this side. We would see some sort of severed connection. So I don't see that happening here, which makes me think that there's something even more bad with this. So we're gonna press this down. Turn it. It does feel pretty resistive. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to remove this here. I want to get all the way off here. I don't know what I would do if they made them in 11s. Alright, come on. It's very tough. Let's see what we got going on here. Test to see if it even spins. Twisting it like that. Seems to spin okay. So let's give it a little bit of a clean and then we'll test her out. Alright, let's see if this works or not. I mean, I know it works, I do this all the time. What I mean is that we'll see if this works. The grinder works. Alright. I've got negative here, and doesn't matter, it'll just run the other direction. And as you can see, dead. Does not want to move. Hear that? There's electricity going to it. It's not wanting to spin for some reason. Maybe we can give it a clean, see what's going on here. I'm going to blow it out. We may just have a bad motor in general here, boys and girls. Let's test that again. Spin the other direction. Yeah, just not wanting to spin. can put this one in there. Alright, we're just going to do a swapperoo, which means I need to install the hopper or the grinder chute. Actually, I don't know if that will work. Well, you know, we'll just switch out here the adjuster as well. So we have to move them all anyways, and they're all going to be around 3 o'clock or so. So let's get rid of this one here first. Okay. Gone. We don't need it anymore. We need to know exactly where to put this one. It'll be a little easier once we get it off. Yeah, so it looks like it's going to be right here. Boom. Piece of cake. Okay, now these ones you got to be careful with because they crack. So let's see, you got to kind of lift up on the back of it. Oh, okay, this one's already cracked. Yeah, cracked already. That's a bummer. I think I have this. You know, it's good to have spare parts, huh? Here's a brand new spanking one here. So we're gonna put that one right here. Give this one a nice thorough cleaning. Great. Boom. Okay. Boom. Just like that. Installation. Whoop! Oh, geez. All right. Alright, we're back to the main menu here. I replaced the grinder with just a used one I had lying around, so let's see what happens. Boom. So we're back to working once again. Well, hopefully I helped you figure out what's wrong with your machine. Yeah. Don't forget to visit awesomecoffeetechnician.com. Bye.